Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. Domestic equity benchmark indices are likely to open slightly lower, weighed down by hawkish remarks from the US Fed Reserve, rising geopolitical tensions in the Gulf region, and surging oil prices. While the Fed kept interest rates unchanged as expected, it maintained its projection for 2 rate cuts later this year. Powell also highlighted ongoing risks from the trade tariffs and inflation uncertainty, dampening investor sentiment. In addition, tensions between Iran and Israel and a sharp rise in the crude prices are causing market concerns. To start with our first segment for Thursday, 19 June 2025, Nifty index opened negative and witnessed a spike towards 24,950 in the initial hour, but failed to hold above the same and drifted lower throughout the day. It dropped to 24,750 marks and witnessed a slight recovery in the second half. It formed a doji sort of a candle on the daily frame and has got stuck in a range from the last 3 trading sessions. It needs to decisively cross 24,950 for the next leg of rally to commence. Support-based buying is intact, but pressure is prevailing at higher zones. India VIX was down by around 1% to 14.3 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.80. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,300 to 25,300, while immediate range is in between 24,600 to 25,000 levels. Moving on to the second segment, in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 945 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 953 crores. FII's index long-short ratio slightly decreased to 20.5%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest if Nifty manages to hold above 24,700, an up move could be seen towards 25,200, while a hold below the same could see weakness towards 24,440 levels. Bank Nifty has to hold above 55,750 for a bounce towards 56,000, while support can be seen at 55,250 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in IndusInd Bank, RBL Bank, Bandhan Bank, Uno Minda, Maruti, KPIT Tech and Delivery, while some weakness could be seen in Piramal Pharma, ACC, NBCC, Tata Motors and Page Industries. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.